Have you been hearing about AI lately? Seems like everyone's talking about it. But with all the news about AI tools, it can be difficult to figure out what they actually are and how they can help us in our everyday lives. In this video, I'm going to explain what ChatGPT-5 is and give you some real-life examples of how it can make your life easier in just a few minutes a day. I'll also show you a quick demo. And if you want to learn step-by-step how to use ChatGPT-5 like a pro, stick around for this beginner-friendly course. So what exactly is ChatGPT-5? Well, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot, which basically means it's a computer program that can chat with you and answer your questions in a way that mimics human conversation. The reason why it's so popular right now is because the latest version, ChatGPT-5, was recently released, and it's much more advanced than previous versions. ChatGPT-5 uses a technique called Generative Pre-trained Transformer, 5 or GPT-5 for short, to generate responses that are incredibly human-like. It can write and analyze text, summarize text, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content like poems, code, and scripts. It can also answer follow-up questions, remember what you told it before, admit its mistakes, and reject inappropriate requests. Here are some examples of how ChatGPT-5 can make your life easier. Writing emails. Writing emails can be time-consuming, especially if you're not good at writing. You might find yourself spending a lot of time drafting, redrafting, and deleting sentences. With ChatGPT, you can simply tell it what you want to say, and it will write an email for you. For example, you could say, write an email asking for a leave, and then it will write an entire email for you. If you don't like the first result, you can ask it to write another one. It's that simple. Brainstorming. Coming up with new ideas can be hard, especially if you're trying to come up with a lot of them at once. This is where ChatGPT can be a great help. Simply tell it what you need ideas for, and it will come up with a list of unique and interesting ideas for you. Let us say you want to write a story about a young girl who discovers she has magical powers. You can ask ChatGPT for some names for her, and it will give you a list of names that you can choose from. Learning new things can be challenging, but with ChatGPT, it's much easier. You can ask it any question you want, and it will answer it in a clear and concise way. So whether you want to learn about history, science, math, or anything else, ChatGPT is a valuable resource. Let's say you want to learn about Pythagoras' theorem. You can ask ChatGPT for an explanation, and it will give you a clear and concise explanation. Planning events or trips can be stressful, but with ChatGPT, it's much easier. You can ask it to help you plan everything from start to finish. For example, you could ask it to plan a 3-day trip to Barcelona. It would ask you some questions like, what are your interests? What's your budget? When are you traveling? Based on your answers, it would create a detailed itinerary for you, including suggested activities, restaurants, and hotels. And here's a quick demo of how it works. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to plan a 3-day trip to Barcelona. Let's see what it comes up with. As you can see, ChatGPT has created a detailed itinerary for me, including suggested activities, restaurants, and hotels. It's even given me an estimated budget for each day. This is just a demo. Of course, you can ask ChatGPT to do much more than just plan a trip. It's really up to your imagination. I hope this video has shown you just how useful ChatGPT-5 is. By spending just a few minutes each day getting to know it, you could make your life so much easier. Whether you want to write emails, brainstorm ideas, learn new things, or plan events, ChatGPT-5 is a valuable tool that can help you do it all. Now that you know how ChatGPT-5 works, it's time to learn how to use it like a pro. In the next video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use ChatGPT-5 to write better emails, brainstorm ideas, learn new things, and plan events. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.